Welcome back. We are still on the topic construction. In the previous video, we solved a question on constructing a triangle when the dimensions of all the sides is given to you. In this video, we are going to solve another question on constructing a triangle when the dimensions of all the sides is given to you. The question for this video is, using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to 9 centimeters, PR is equal to QR, which is equal to 7 centimeters. So we are going to draw the triangle PQR, and we have been given the length of the side PQ to be 9 centimeters. The question tells us that the side PR has the same length as the side QR, and it is 7 centimeters. This means that the side PR has a length of 7 centimeters and the side QR also has a length of 7 centimeters. So the length of all the sides have been given to us. This information is sufficient enough for us to construct the triangle PQR using a ruler and a pair of compasses only. As we saw in the previous video, before we can construct this triangle, we will first have to choose one of the sides as our base. I'm going to choose the side PQ as the base. PQ has a length of 9 centimeters. So using your ruler and your pencil, you draw the line PQ, which has the length 9 centimeters. Then we'll move on to the next side. The next side is PR. The length of PR is 7 centimeters. So you take your compass and you measure 7 centimeters on the ruler. Then you step on point P and construct an arc. After that, you move on to the next side. The next side is QR. The length of QR is also 7 centimeters. We have already measured 7 centimeters on our compass. So with the same radius, you stand on point Q and you construct another arc to intersect the first arc that you constructed. The point of intersection of the two arcs will give us point R. So we have P here, Q here, and R here. To get PR, we will join point P to point R. The length of PR is 7 centimeters. To get QR, we will join point Q to point R. The length of QR is 7 centimeters. So this is how we are going to go about the construction. Now let's do the actual construction. We are going to draw the triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to 9 centimeters, PR is equal to 7 centimeters, and QR is also equal to 7 centimeters. I chose PQ to be the base. The length of PQ is 9 centimeters. So you pick the ruler and draw a line that has the length 9 centimeters. On my ruler, the scale is in millimeters, so 9 centimeters will be the same as 90 millimeters. So you draw a line that has the length 9 centimeters. This is point P and this is point Q. The length of PQ is 9 centimeters. So we have the baseline here. Now let's move on to the next side. The next side is PR. The length of PR is 7 centimeters. To get this, you pick your compass and you measure 7 centimeters on the ruler. You put the needle of the compass on 0, then you stretch the other part to 7 centimeters or 70 millimeters on my ruler. So you measure 7 centimeters with your compass on the ruler. Then you move the needle of the compass to point P. Since the side we are constructing is PR, so you put the needle on point P, then you turn the compass and construct an arc. Now we know that the length of the other side, which is QR, is also 7 centimeters. The radius of the compass at the moment is 7 centimeters. So there will be no need going back to the ruler to measure 7 centimeters since the radius of the compass is already 7 centimeters. So you pick the needle of the compass from point P and put it on point Q. Then you turn it and construct an arc to intersect the first arc that you constructed. So you turn it and construct an arc to intersect the first arc that we have constructed. We are now done with the compass, so I'm going to take it off. The point of intersection of the two arcs will give us the point R. So this is point R. I'm going to clean the excess part of the arcs so that you can see it very clearly. So I'll clean this part and clean this part. I think it's okay now. We now have point P here, point Q here, and point R here. To get the side PR, we will join point P to point R, and to get the side QR, we will join point Q to point R. We draw a straight line to join point P to point R. Then we draw a straight line from point Q to point R to get QR. The length of PR is 7 centimeters, and the length of QR is also 7 centimeters. We have now constructed triangle PQR such that PQ is 9 centimeters, PR is 7 centimeters, and QR is also 7 centimeters. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on using a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a triangle when the dimensions of all the sides is given to you. Bye bye.